Welcome to the instructor materials for Modern Data Science in R. This chapter introduces texts for tools for working with data, and the instructor resources include this R Markdown file that I've made available, as well as some exercises. We use as a motivating example here the full text of Shakespeare's Macbeth. This provides a great launching off point for regular expressions, a powerful language tool when dealing with text. The dataset is available within the MDSR package for easy access. And we begin by ingesting these tools, the lines of text from the play, the tragedy. And we can see the format here is of a pretty regular structure where the character name is given followed by a period. And we can use regular expressions as a way of pulling through this, as using the needle in a haystack paradigm that's introduced in the text. And there's lots of different examples of this in this R Markdown file and in the text that allows us to look at different patterns, to be able to remove some of the material at the beginning of the play that's added by Project Gutenberg, and then go ahead and undertake some analysis of speaker lines. And here we're focusing on Macbeth, Lady Macbeth, Banquo, and Duncan. We can see the data set that gets pulled together from that and generate a plot of when these characters speak and different times during the play. Can annotate that with a little bit of indication of where the acts actually begin and end. Chapter also introduces some rudimentary word analyses, the idea of a concept of a corpus, a corpora, or a collection of text documents. In this example, each line of Macbeth is going to be considered a separate document, and we can use this to generate a word cloud. First, we'll go ahead and clean up the text by removing white space and other common words. Go ahead and generate the word cloud in this case. We see Macbeth is the most common word in that. And then also introduce and show how to create a document text term matrix and to do some analyses based on word frequency in that. There's a pointer to some other further resources, and as always, introduction to these exercises and that are available with sample solutions available from the instructor's website.